Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making some delicious Chipotle black bean burgers. And let me just tell you, I made them one time last week, I think it was, and I just couldn't wait to share it with you guys. It's absolutely delicious, amazing, filling, loaded with protein, and starch solution friendly as well. So let me show you the ingredients that we're going to be using, and don't worry, I'm going to put everything in the description below, the measurements. But we're going to be using some chilies in Adobo Sauce. This is some that I had left over from a recipe that I had made, and we're going to use, I should have salsa, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using chopped tomatoes, right? So it's okay, it'll work, it'll still be delicious. But if you have salsa, use salsa. We got some lime juice here, we have some balsamic vinegar, liquid aminos. You could also use soy sauce, or better than bouillon paste, flax meal, smoked paprika, cumin, garlic and onion powder. I'm also using quinoa flour. Now with this, you can use any flour. You could use oat flour, rice flour, wheat flour. It's just something that I have in my cabinet and I want to get it used up. So quinoa flour. And then of course, the star of the show, I have a lot, black beans, okay? What's also nice about this recipe is we're gonna just put everything into a food processor and blend it all up, and then patty them up and bake them, and they're really, really good. All right, so let's go ahead and let me get the food processor out. I almost forgot, we are also gonna use an onion, and I put a little bit of mushroom in here and some garlic as well. And I just sauteed this up. Well, I always manage to get something on my shirt. Anyways, I just got back from a walk and my Chipotle burgers are done. How delicious do they look? And they smell good. But yeah, let's go ahead and try one. So I'm not eating bread right now. So I just eat it like this. You could have some rice, vegetables. I had a little bit of quinoa earlier, so I'm not really hungry. But anyways, I like it with salsa on top. Put whatever on top that you want. But I really enjoy the salsa. And I will say these in the fridge, they will get a little soft. So to reheat these, I would put them either back in your oven or like an air fryer or a little toaster oven or something like that. Here's the inside. Looks good. All right, here we go. Let's test it out. So good. And you could, you know, cube this up, chop it up, put it over rice, put it in a salad with like corn, make like a Southwest salad, and then have this as your protein. Really delicious. All right, I'm gonna finish this. I hope you guys try this out. Let me know in the comments if you do. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.